ready, guys. I think it's just ready now. Yeah, it's ready. But I need to turn around this one a little bit. It's ready. The other one. I need to grill this one first. Slice this one. So this is easy. Grill this one in the oven because I don't have it. Put this one in here because I don't have a griller, so it's better in here. I don't need to boil because if I boil it's lots of water, it's watery, so this one is better. Grill in here. Now we need to turn around. Okay, turn around na to siya. Parang makuan. Soft. It's soft now. I don't have a griller, so this is my best option. Now it's done, so I need to separate this one from here. It's done now. Look at. Then I need to peel. Ako na siyang ipil. Ito na siya, so ato na siyang ipil. I need to peel this one. Peel. Ipil na to kay kuan kanang sa tawagan ni okay, it's ready now. I've finished peeling the aubergines, the 3 aubergines. So next I need to flatten, make it flatten. Simple ni siya, simple cook, my own version. Don't mind, I'm not a professional cooking, but I do my best, trying hard to cook for myself, for my own tummy. Flatten this one, flatten like that. To add eggs. Just only 3 eggs. I added 3 eggs. And then I put the seasoning powder. Just seasoning powder. Then the eggs. So next things I did, I put the aubergine here. So everyone has different style of cooking. Okay, so this is my own version. Aubergine in here in the eggs, the 3 aubergines, and then yeah, like that. Look at that. Put here in the. Put an oil. I make the pan hot first, then I need to put an oil. I think this is enough. This is too much already, so we need to put more oil. So I think this is too much. Okay, we need to. Now the pan is hot, so we need to put the aubergine. Okay, like that. And this one in the other side. And there's one left behind here. So it's here. Okay, now it's waiting. Check if it's ready. So it's not yet. Later, I need to turn around later. Turn around, not yet. Now I need to turn around. Because I don't want to make it burn. So turn around this one. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Okay, that. Yeah. it's ready, guys. I think it's just ready now. Yeah, it's ready. But I need to turn around this one a little bit. It's ready, the other one. Turn around a little bit. I need to turn around one more. I need well done. More brown and more. Yeah. Now it's ready. It's ready. I need to put this one in my ear. Other one. One, two. Oops. Maybe it will fall down. This one really fall down. It's okay. It's not perfect. It's fall down. And this one. Okay, it fall down. Everything not perfectly done, but it's okay. That's the last. So it's ready, and I separate the other one. It's ready now. It's okay. The other one is there. This separate. Yeah, it's okay, but it's nice. It's nice taste. Yeah, love the taste.